2018 Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.